Good afternoon. So, as you know that we have completed the our biology syllabus and we are revising the chapter, right? And I was discussing about the chapter chemical control and coordination, chemical coordination and integration. So, do you have any queries related to this chapter? If you are having any queries, you can ask me first. Whatever I will show you, you have to write down all those. So you have to wait for this. I will tell all this in my practical class, and whatever I will show you, you have to write down all this. Not more than that. Okay, now you can tell me if you are having any queries related to this chapter. Do you have? So, as I was discussing about the chapter chem control and coordination, so today I will provide you some fill in the blanks from the parathyroid gland and the thymus gland. Okay. So, I will write it down on the board. Please write it down in your copy and try to solve it. And after writing, I will give you 2 minutes of time and you have to tell me the answer. Now I have written 4 questions. So please write it down in your copy and try to solve it. I am giving you 2 minutes of time and after that I will ask you the answers. provide you some questions. After solving these questions, I will provide you some other questions. But first, solve all these. Okay, now 2 minute time is over, so I will discuss these 4 questions. First question is, thymus gland is located on the dorsal side of the dash and the dash. Can you tell me what will be in those two dash? Can you fill the gaps? Thymus gland is located on the dorsal side of the heart and the aorta. So in one dash there will be heart, and in the another one it is sorry. So what will be the answer? Thymus gland is located on the dorsal side of the heart and the aorta. Thymus gland is a lobular structure. Thymus gland is a lobular structure located on the dorsal side of the heart and the aorta. Let me repeat. Thymus gland is a lobular structure located on the dorsal side of the heart and the aorta. So we have to write in those two gaps. In one gap answer is heart, and the another gap there is aorta. Now come to the next question. Thymus helps in the development of dash. Thymus is having major role in the development of the dash, or thymus helps in the development of dash. What will be the answer? The answer will be development of here we can write on the development of the immune system. Okay, so thymus helps in the development. Yes, very good. Thymus helps in the development of the immune system. So for the question number 2, answer is the immune system. Now come to the third question. Thymosin is a dash hormone. Thymosin is a dash hormone. So when I was discussing the chapter, I have told you that hormones may be of some types like steroid, amino acid type, peptide. So yes, so what thymosin is a peptide hormone. Thymosin is a peptide hormone. Very good. Now come to the next one. Thymosins play a major role in the differentiation of dash. Thymosins play a major role in the differentiation of dash. So what should I write in that particular gap? Thymosin helps, or we can say thymosin plays a major role in the differentiation of dash. So what will be in this particular dash? Lymphocyte. Very good. So here you have to mention that which type of lymphocyte. We can write it down that it helps in the differentiation of T lymphocyte. Okay. So with that we have completed 4 fill in the gaps. Now come to the next one. these T lymphocytes provide dash immunity and thymus is degenerate in dash individuals. So write it down in your copy and solve it. Okay, so what will be the answer of first question? T lymphocytes provide. So before that, let me tell you something. This immunity chapter is not in your class 11 syllabus, but you will read about this immunity in the class 12. There is a chapter which is related to this immunity part. Okay, so immunity, that means in our body we are having a defense mechanism system which is protecting us from different type of diseases, pathogens. Okay, so our body is having this particular immunity system, and in this immunity system lymphocytes are playing main role, and lymphocytes may be of T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, and I will discuss about the origin, function of the each lymphocytes in that particular chapter of class 12. Okay, and these two lymphocytes are taking part in two types of immunity. So immunity on the basis of this lymphocytes, immunity, two types of immunity can be found. One is cell mediated immunity and another one is humoral immunity. Okay, so T lymphocytes are associated with cell mediated immunity. So here we can write that T lymphocytes provide so the answer will be T lymphocytes provide cell mediated immunity. Okay. And in addition to that, thymus also promote the production of antibodies. Okay, so this production of antibodies and this type of immunity will come under the humoral immunity. Okay, so from the T lymphocyte we are getting cell mediated immunity, and from the another one we will get which will work on the basis of that production of the antibodies, they will provide the humoral immunity. Okay, now come to the last question. Thymus is degenerated in dash individuals. So the answer will be thymus will be degenerated in old individuals. Okay, so I have provided you this particular information that when a person will become old and the production of thymus gland will be degenerated, and as a result the production of this particular thymosin will not occur appropriately. So decreased production of thymosin will be there. So as a result the immune responses of old persons become weak. This is the cause that for these old persons suffer from many diseases, suffer more from by the many diseases. Okay, this is the main cause. So these are the different important fill in the blanks from the thymus gland. Now I will ask you some questions about the parathyroid gland. see that I have written 5 questions from the parathyroid gland. So what is the first question? First question is, what is the location of parathyroid gland? Second question, name the hormone which can be secreted from parathyroid gland. Third question, what are the roles of PTH? Fourth question, why PTH is called as hypercalcemic hormone? And fifth question, how TCT and PTH regulates the calcium level? Okay, so these 5 important questions from the parathyroid gland. Please write it down in your copy. I am giving you some time for writing down the questions. Check the questions from the board and please write it down in your copy. Okay, so now listen carefully. I am telling all the answers in very short. So what is the location of parathyroid gland? So as you know that in human, 4 parathyroid glands are present on the back side of the thyroid gland and 1 pair each in the 2 lobes of the thyroid gland. Okay, yes, very good. Located on the next to thyroid, two thyroid gland lobes in the neck. Okay, so this is the location of the parathyroid gland. Now come to the next one, that is name the hormone. Name the hormone which can be secreted from parathyroid gland. Can you tell me the name of the hormone which can be secreted from the parathyroid gland? So the particular name of the hormone you have to write it down like parathyroid hormone. So the answer of the second one is parathyroid hormone or PTH. Parathyroid hormone or PTH is the hormone which can be secreted from the parathyroid gland. Now come to the third one. What are the roles of PTH or parathyroid gland? So yes, calcium phosphate metabolism, very good. So the role of the parathyroid gland is that, as you know that the secretion of PTH is regulated by the circulating levels of calcium ions, and it increases the, so first role is it increases the calcium level in blood. Second role, PTH acts on bones and stimulates the process of bone resorption or dissolution or demineralization. Third point, PTH also stimulates reabsorption by Ca2 plus by renal tubules and increases Ca2 plus absorption from the digested food. Okay, so these are the main roles of PTH. Now come to the fourth and fifth one. Why PTH is called as hypercalcemic hormone? And fifth question is how TCT and PTH regulates the calcium level. These two questions are your homework. You have to write down these questions at your home. Okay, so I need an appropriate answer for these two questions. Please write down these two questions are your homework. Okay, so for today that's it. I think you are not having any queries from this part because already we are repeating it 2 times. So for today that's it. Thank you and bye bye for today.